Short practice for self-love. Offer yourself some quality time, choosing a place that makes you feel safe. Prepare the space in a way that is pleasant to your senses, comfortable, warm, fragrant, quiet. Allow yourself to sit or lie down as comfortably as possible, and close your eyes softly. Relax your physical body, letting go of tension and pressure, leaving out the things that don't serve you, at least for the duration of this meditation. Tune into your breath, noticing as it flows in and out, allowing your breathing to flow naturally and effortlessly. Invite in ease. There's nothing you need to do to make this better. This moment is perfect as it is. Breathe in and out mindfully, simply observing what's going on. Your breathing calms down your mind. Each inhalation and exhalation bring more relaxation. Your thoughts can dissipate for a few minutes, and so can your emotions. This is you at this moment. This is what you are experiencing now. And you, with all that you are worthy of love. You are enough. Your value is not defined by what others say or think. Whatever you're feeling right now, whatever you have done in your life, whatever the circumstances, you are enough, and love is your birthright. This moment is a gift to yourself, one that can nurture you. You are the priority right now. Attending to your own needs is an act of self-love, and at the same time, a gift to others. Because only once your needs are fulfilled, you can offer more to the people around you. Love and acceptance start with yourself. Ask yourself, what do you need today? How can you honor yourself today? Open up to answers from your inner self and commit to listening. You have already taken the first step, the most important step. Thank yourself for taking the time to listen to this meditation. Gently and lovingly, bring your awareness back to your body and the sounds around you. When you are ready, open your eyes.